everyone, it's Kate. Today I'm going to talk to you about hemming knit fabrics. We all love wearing knits, but sewing with them can be a little daunting. They curl and they stretch and they generally act differently than wovens. I'm going to show you two things I like to do to make sure that my knit hems behave. Let's get started. The two supplies I always use when hemming knit fabrics are this knit stay tape. Ours is from So Easy. Today I'm going to use our 1/2 inch in black, and you can see that it's very fine and it does stretch, and you can't see, but it's fusible. So I fuse it to the wrong side of my knit fabric before I turn it up and hem it. My second secret weapon is this kimono silk thread. It just slips right through the fabric. I will be basting the hem in place with this before I sew it. I have pressed the stay tape to my hem. I can use the stay tape as a guide for where to turn it up. It's great. I can kind of feel it. And I like to pin my hems in place with glass head pins, pin them right to the ironing board, and then I can press on top of the pins, and I'm not chasing my fingers with a hot iron. It's awesome. All right, I'm going to pull the pins out and get my silk kimono thread. I am hand basting from the wrong side right near the top of the hem. I am going to baste all the way to the other edge, but I'm going to fast forward so you don't have to watch it. Okay, so now it's basted, and this is the wrong side. You can see my giant stitches pretty much right along the edge, not exactly. And then on the right side, especially in the darker blue areas, you can see that I have thread marked where I want the hem to be. Now I'm going to go to the sewing machine and top stitch the hem from the top and meet you right back here. I'm back and I have zigzagged my hem. I like to zigzag because it will stretch a little bit, and I think it looks handmade in a good way. So you can see my stitches, and my basting stitches are still in. I've tried to be just a little bit away from the basting stitch, but if I run over the basting stitch like I did here, I can still pull it out because it's this super fine, super strong silk kimono thread. And boom, I've pulled it out. And you can see that it's still a little bit wavy, but a quick press will solve that. And hopefully you can see these cute little zigzag stitches in a beautiful straight line. This has been Kate at The Confident Stitch. I've included instructions for how to hem knit fabrics in the description below. I'm also including some links to the products that I used. If you want to learn more about sewing and quilting, subscribe to our channel below. We have tons more videos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.